The excretory system. Where's the garbage can in your body? The excretory system, which includes your skin, lungs, liver, and kidneys, excretes metabolic waste from your body. Excretion is the process by which metabolic wastes are eliminated to maintain homeostasis. They include the skin, the lungs, liver, kidneys. Ureters transport urine from each kidney to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder stores urine until it is released from the body. Urine is released through a tube called the urethra. The excretory system, which includes the skin, lungs, liver, and kidneys, excretes metabolic waste from the body. This figure shows the majority of the organs of excretion. The ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra are also involved in excretion. The skin excretes excess water, salts, and a small amount of urea in the sweat. By releasing sweat in very small amounts, this process eliminates waste, even when you may not think you're sweating. The blood transports carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, from the body cells to the lungs. When you exhale, your lungs excrete carbon dioxide and a small amount of water vapor. One of the liver's main activities is the conversion of nitrogen wastes, a product of protein breakdown, into less toxic urea. Urea is then transported through the blood to the kidneys for elimination from the body, so from the liver to the kidneys. The kidneys are a pair of fist-sized organs located on either side of the spinal column near the lower back. Through a complex filtering process, the kidneys remove excess water, urea, and metabolic waste from the blood. The kidneys produce and excrete a waste product known as urine. Ureters transport urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder, where it is stored until it is released through the urethra. How is garbage removed from the blood? As waste-laden blood enters the kidneys through the renal artery, the kidney removes urea, excess water, and minerals, and other waste products. These are white blood cells, platelets, and red blood cells. The kidneys remove urea, excess water, and minerals, and other waste products from the blood. The clean, filtered blood leaves a kidney through the renal vein and returns to circulation. So each of the kidneys have nephron. And nephron, each of these process the blood. Each kidney contains nearly 1 million individual process units called nephrons. Nephrons are where impurities are filtered out, wastes are collected, and purified blood is returned to the circulation. Blood purification in the kidneys involves two distinct processes: filtration and reabsorption. So the kidney has 1 million nephron. So the kidney is made of the renal cortex and the renal medulla, and in those are many nephron. Circulation of blood enters through the renal artery, and filtered blood leaves the kidney through the renal vein. Waste products enter the ureter to the bladder. In any single nephron, the blood enters through the artery, processed through the glomerulus, and the Bowman's capsule, and the capillaries, the tubule, all the way down through the loop of Henle, and then waste is removed through a collecting duct to the ureter on into the bladder. Clean blood returns into the vein and returns back to the heart. Nearly all of the material removed from the blood at the Bowman's capsule makes its way back into the blood as it flows through the nephron tubules. The process by which water and dissolved substances are taken back into the blood is called reabsorption. As the filtrate the blood, moves through the tubule, water and many other substances that are important to the body are reabsorbed through capillary walls into the blood as a recycling. A number of materials, including salts, vitamins, amino acids, fats, and glucose, are removed from the filtrate by active transport and reabsorbed by the capillaries. Water follows these minerals by osmosis. In effect, the kidney first throws away nearly everything, then takes back only what the body needs. From the collecting ducts, urine flows to the ureter of each kidney. The ureters carry urine to the urinary bladder for storage until it leaves the body through the urethra. Collecting duct to the ureter, and the ureter goes on to the urinary bladder.